Alright, there it is. Brake line's done, gas tank's done, wheels are back on, lug nuts torqued, wiring harness tied up. I checked all the air and all the tires, I checked the oil, checked the antifreeze, checked the power steering. Now I'm going to take it for a ride. So, I just want to see, you know, how it does on the road. That's what I've been trying to do. So, that's what I'm going to do. If I don't make a video when I get back, thanks for watching. Well, I pulled it outside. The brakes are super sticky because it's been sitting for so long. Hopefully getting it out on the road and getting the brakes used a little bit and warmed up will help with that. But pulled it outside and it's dumping fuel all over the ground. The fuel line right past the gas tank, which is a steel fuel line, is just spurting fuel all over the place. It's just too rusty. So, you know, it's comical at this point. It really is comical. This is the name of the game. You fix one problem and the next one's there. Anyway, I can now park it and fuel can stay in the tank without leaking all over the place. Now it only leaks when it's running. Anyway. So that's that. Thanks for watching the stupid gas tank video. Anyway. See you later.